Welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. So in today's video, we'll be talking about a notification released by RMLNLU Lucknow with regards to the vacant seats. We'll have a look at the different aspects, which are number of vacant seats, what are the categories, who all can apply, by when you have to apply, and all the other things as well, the important dates and all other things as well. Right? Let's get into the video. So this notification was released on 22nd June 2023. Now in this notification, the concerned NLU has said that they have 7 vacant seats, but at the same time in the same notification they have talked about the future vacancies as well. So if there is any future vacancy, even for those vacancy, if you want to be eligible, you have to fill this particular application, right? So this is with regard to the 7 seats which are vacant right now, and for all the vacant seats that may arise in the future, right? In order to claim any of these seats, you have to fill this particular application form, right? Before we get into the application form, let's understand the fee. The fee in this regard is nothing. There is no fee payable, and you have to simply fill the details in the application form, right? Who all can apply? If you are applying for unreserved category, make sure that your rank is below 1200, that is up to 1200. If you are claiming a seat of OBC of state domicile, that is UP domicile OBC, then your rank should be up to 4500. If SC and UP domicile, then it should be 12,000 or less. If ST and UP, your rank should be all India rank 30,000 or less. Remember, these are all India ranks. All the ranks are all India ranks and not category ranks, right? And the last day to fill the application is 24th of June 2023 before 3 p.m. That is evening, 1500 hours. Make sure that you fill this application before time. And a merit list, after you fill this on 27th, the merit list will be issued, and name of those students will be indicated in that merit list who have been selected for the counseling process. After which you have to attend the counseling process, and accordingly you will be given the seat in the particular vacancy category, right? Now let's have a look at the application form. Right, this is the application form. The details are very simple. You have to enter your email address, the category for which you are applying. If you are also applying for any horizontal category, right, for example PWD, CDP, you have to mention that in this third column. Then your Clat application number, your admit card number, your all India rank, your score, your name, your mother's name, your father's name, your date of birth, your contact number, your parents' contact number, your domicile. If you are from UP, you can mention UP domicile. If you are from any other state, you can mention the other states mentioned in this particular column. Then address you have to mention, and then you have to tick on first 2 categories. For sure, you have to definitely give the details of or the PDF copies of first, which are your admit card and score card, right? And if you are claiming any reservation, then you have to give the certificate of that particular reservation category. That means if you are from SC, ST or OBC, your SC, ST or OBC non-creamy layer certificate has to be attached here in the last column, right? Remark, you can add any remark as to if there is any query or any clarification that you want to give from your side, that you can mention in the remarks portion, right? After you submit all these things, you can simply click the submit button and your application will be submitted to the administration department of RMLNLU, right? This is all for today's video. I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Hello students, welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep.